Hi, it's Mark. I'm here with Bernie Pawlik, Pawlik Automotive, and Vancouver's best auto service experience. We're talking cars. How you doing, Bernie?
Doing very well.
So today's guest is a new one. We're going to talk about tires and tires on your vehicle, how important they are. How do you know they're worn out? When is it time to get new tires? Now, in this case, it's about an Acura, but that's almost immaterial. It's any car, how to check and make sure your tires are okay. So let's jump to some pictures.
Yeah, like you said, every car, one thing they have, whether it's diesel, gas, or an electric, all cars have tires and they all wear out. And it's very important to have good tire treads.
So what are we looking at here?
So we're looking at a brand new tire that we installed on this Acura. You can see the treads are deep. There's a lot of little subtle pieces of cuts in the rubber for gripping on the road. And just generally, the tread is deep. This is a measuring tool we have when we do a maintenance service. We measure tires. So this tire measures at, I'm just trying to read it on here, but it's 9 millimeters, 9.7. So yeah, almost 10 millimeters of tread depth. And the other thing too is that's consistent across the whole tread from one side to the other. And as tires wear, they'll often wear more on one edge than the other and cause more issues. So these are brand new tires that have just been installed. These are the old tires. You can see quite a profound difference. What's missing are all those little subtle pieces of rubber. And at the top of the picture, we're looking at the edge of the tread on one side. And you can see there's very little grooving. Things are worn very badly. So you're basically running on a big, fat, flat piece of rubber. Moisture, rain on the road, snow, which is even worse, is not going to be absorbed or dissipated like it would on a new tire.
What are these?
Those are wear bars. So every tire has them. I don't know if we can actually see them on the new tire picture because they're deep down in the tread, but those are about 2 millimeters, 1.5 to 2 millimeters above the very worn area. So once a tire is actually, that bar shows that tire is worn out. Now, these are actually not quite at the edge of at the top of the tire. Like they're actually not entirely worn out, but if you look at the edge of the tread, that's worn far too much. So you really don't want to wait till the wear bars show because the tires are already long gone by then. And there's a measurement. So 2.59 millimeters is what we're getting there. But technically 2 millimeters, I think, is legally worn out, but you're really pushing it to the edge at that point.
So when you mentioned legally, if the police stop you and check your tire or see that wear bars are showing, they're going to tell you you got to get your tires changed.
Yeah, you can get a fine for that. I'm sure it varies depending on where you are, but you can get a fine for that. But really, when you're driving a car, it's always good to save money. But when it comes to tires, it just makes such a profound difference to, even if tires have about 30% tread remaining, that's actually a good time to replace them because at that point, you're not getting much. It's not dispersing moisture, water, just doesn't handle and grip as well as you would.
So what's the downside of your tires are worn like this? Where are you going to get into trouble? You're going to be able to drive down the road. I'm just drive back and forth to work. It's no big deal in town. I'm just in the city. I'm not going to have any issues. Or is that
Well,
true?
no, not true at all. Stopping distance, the tires won't grip as well. So if you go into an emergency stop situation, and most cars have anti-lock brakes, they're basically computer controlled. So if the tire starts skidding, you'll start losing braking ability. But in the olden days, when you didn't have anti-lock brakes, you'd just skid and you'd slide.
Yeah.
So you're losing braking distance, you're losing cornering control. We live in Vancouver. It rains a lot here. So having good tires is even more important than if you're driving in the Arizona desert. But the car will feel better to drive with new tires than old tires. They're quieter, they grip the road better, the handling is better, the car's more responsive.
And so anything outside of the perfect norm of conditions, so rain, snow, ice, mud, without good new tires, you're in trouble.
You are, yeah. And on ice, you can be pretty much screwed anyway, so to speak, because even the best of tires don't work on solid ice, but every bit helps. The one thing we haven't talked about here is age of tires because we get cars where people don't drive them very much. And so the tires might have 7 or 8 millimeters of tread on them, but the tires are old. And so the rubber's deteriorated. So it's important when you look at tires to look at the age. There's a DOT number on the tires. We don't have a picture of that here. We could talk about it another time. But there's actually a production date on the tire. It's a week of the year and the year of the tire. It might say 20 2009 or something, which is actually a very old tire at this point. 20th week of 2009 is when the tire was made. Anyways, 7 years is recommended as a time to change tires. So older than 10 years, you should replace it because the rubber's deteriorated.
And
As
when
they used
the
to say in Michelin ad, so much is riding on your tires. It's an interesting little catchphrase, but it's actually very true. It's one of the most important pieces on a car to have in good shape.
So why would I come to Pawlik? What's the difference? Why would I come to Pawlik instead of a tire store, quote unquote?
We're a full service shop, so we look at everything. Not only are we going to service your tires, we're a one-stop shop for all your maintenance. You could go to a tire store, buy some tires. You might save a couple of dollars, maybe not. We have some pretty reasonably priced tires and good ones. We look for the various brands, whatever suits you and whatever you like, give you some price options, and I'd say that's it.
So in this case, this Acura, 2019 Acura, not that old a vehicle, what was the reason they were in the shop?
Came in for a maintenance service. It was either an A or B service. I can't remember. It's just a regular client of ours. At this point, we looked over the vehicle. It's got about 77,000 kilometers, I believe. So these would be the first tires replaced. Those were the original tires on the car. It's time to change the tires. So we look at everything in general and
So if
recommend when it's needed.
ultimately, peace of mind of maintaining your entire car, not just your tires, is why you would come to Pawlik Automotive.
Yeah, exactly. You're saying what the advantage. We're a full service shop. So whatever you need, we're a one-stop shop for everything.
If you're looking for service or new tires for your vehicle in Vancouver, BC, Canada, the guys to see you are at Pawlik Automotive. You can book your appointment online at pawlikautomotive.com, or you can call them at 604-327-7112. They'll answer the phone. They'll get back to you. They'll talk about what's going on with your vehicle and get ready for your appointment. Pawlik Automotive in Vancouver. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thanks, Bernie.
Thank you, Mark, and thanks for watching. We really appreciate it.